So here we are, we're back in the bee yard, and today, well, I told you yesterday, I got something that I'm gonna do that I'm trying. It's an experiment, for me at least. Anyways, I went to Stanwood Bee Company, and I'll leave a link in the comments, in the description, and I picked up a queen. Now, he sells queens and then he sells brood frames. So what I did was I picked up a queen with a brood frame, 2 extra brood frames, and so this isn't really a nuke, this isn't really a package, it's like a nucage. There you go.
Okay.
And so what I'm gonna be doing is installing them into the hive here. So
You're not gonna wear your gloves?
no, I'm probably gonna get stung, but that's okay. One. Two. Okay, this is a frame of brood. Get with the queen. Easy on smoke, dude. Okay, good. Italians. So move that frame over. Honey, you need to set that smoker down somewhere.
Okay.
Downwind over there.
Alright, you good?
Mm-hmm.
Have
So
one
I'm
more?
gonna take the queen.
I see your queen.
Sure is in there. Now this has already got a candy plug in it, so really all I gotta do is take off the tape. You see the candy plug? Smash B in there. Now I'm gonna take the queen, I'm gonna put her face down inside the box here. And the reason I'm putting her face down is because I want the bees to be able to take care of her and feed her. So I'm gonna move that back. All these frames back on her. Let's see if I can't get another one.
Okay.
Another frame in there.
I'm not sure you can get that in.
Okay, I might have to add another frame in a couple of days. What we'll do is we'll shake the rest of the bees into the hive here.
You want to remove one of the frame and put that in? Here. Put it in.
Let me see that frame. I might be able to get that.
Alright.
So, if you look in the box here, still got a bunch of bees in here. I'm going to take the box and just peel that back. Put the inner cover on, which is right here.
You want to put patty in there?
Yeah. Now, inside this, I still have, I have a couple frames, partial frames of honey in there for them to feed on. This is a young colony. Plus now I got this. I'm going to be putting feed on here.
Alright. It's good.
Let me put a box. I'll fill those jars up. But just to give you an idea here. This one here. These ones are easier to open. I always check to make sure that I can see sunlight through those. And we'll give them a couple things of syrup. When these things get propolised, just give them a couple little taps and they should open right up. And with that pollen patty and this here, these 2 jars of feed, that should be enough to get this colony going. I mean,
Set the box.
I'll make up some more sugar water and come out here like tomorrow or something and put them on. And then it's just a matter of a lid. That's it. That's all there is to it.